Good day, Green School community. My name is Blackie Swart, and perhaps the first interesting about me is that after almost 4 decades in education, I'm still excited by the possibility of learning, growing, and building something meaningful. I've served in many educational roles: teacher, head of department, principal, circuit manager, director of assessment management in the Western Cape, and deputy director at national level. But behind the titles, I've always believed that education is about people, relationships, growth, and discovering purpose. Wat my besonder aantrek tot Groen Skool is die feit dat julle dapper genoeg is om anders oor onderwys te dink. Ek hou van julle fokus op egte leer, kreatiwiteit, volhoubaarheid en die ontwikkeling van jong mense wat nie net akademies suksesvol is nie, maar ook as mense groei met waardes, identiteit en 'n bewustheid van 'n plek in die wêreld. Baie mense op my ouderdom kies gemak en voorspelbaarheid, maar eerlikwaar, ek geniet nog avontuur. Ek geniet dit steeds om nuwe moontlikhede te ontdek, saam met mense te bou en 'n verskil te maak. Op 65 voel ek steeds energiek, positief en gereed vir 'n nuwe uitdaging. Ek glo ervaring bring wysheid, maar nuuskierigheid en passie bou 'n oue mens lewendig. Outside of education, sport has always been an important part of my life. I've completed the Cape Town cycle tour 19 times, lit my mile swims, and served as president of the South African Biathlon Association. Those experiences taught me resilience, endurance, and the importance of teamwork. I believe I would bring calm leadership, experience, humor, perspective, and genuine care to your community. But I also believe Green School would inspire me to continue growing as an educational leader and as a person. Thank you for taking the time to get to know the human behind the application. I would value the opportunity to join your journey. Baie dankie. Mooi wense.